My name is Robbie and today we'll be explaining what neurons and neurotransmitters are, while my partner Grace Osuna will be providing visuals. First off, I would like to start by defining neurons. Neurons are cells fundamental to the brain and nervous system. The cells are responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying electrical signals at every step in between. Next up, I'm going to talk about neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are often referred to as the body's chemical messengers. They are molecules used by the nervous system to transmit messages between neurons or from neurons to the muscles. Here are some examples of neurotransmitters. First off, we have glutamate. Glutamate is the most abundant neurotransmitter in our brain and central nervous system. It is involved in virtually every major excitatory brain function. Glutamate is an important neurotransmitter present in over 90% of the brain, and it's a naturally occurring molecule that nerve cells use to send signals to other cells in the central nervous system. Second up, we have acetylcholine, which serves as a transmitter substance of nerve impulses within the central and peripheral nervous system. Acetylcholine is the chief neurotransmitter of the parasympathetic nervous system, which contracts smooth muscles, dilates blood vessels, increases bodily secretions, and slows heart rate. Next up, we have gamma-aminobutyric acid, also known as GABA. This is a natural occurring amino acid that works as a neurotransmitter in your brain. GABA is considered an inhibitory neurotransmitter because it blocks or inhibits certain brain signals and decreases activity in your nervous system. Next up, we have serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical nerve cell product. It sends signals between your nerve cells. Serotonin is mostly found in the digestive system, although it's also in blood pellets. Serotonin regulates mood, happiness, and anxiety. Low levels of serotonin are often linked to depression, while increased levels of serotonin are often linked into happier moods. Next up, we have dopamine. Dopamine is also known as the feel-good transmitter, a chemical that carries information between neurons. The brain releases it when we eat food that we crave or during sexual intercourse, contributing to the feelings of pleasure and satisfaction as part of the reward system. This important neurochemical boosts mood, motivation, and attention, and helps regulate movement, learning, and emotional response. Next up, we have epinephrine, also known as adrenal. This is a hormone secreted by the adrenal medulla upon stimulation by the central nervous system in response to stress as anger or fear, and acting to increase heart rate, blood pressure, cardiac output, and carbohydrate metabolism. This is also involved in our natural fight or flight instinct. Norepinephrine, also called noradrenaline, is both a hormone produced by the adrenal glands and a neurotransmitter. It is a chemical messenger which transmits signal across nerve endings in the body. Last up, we have endorphins. Endorphins are important to reduce pain and enhance pleasure. Endorphins are also involved in our natural reward circuits and are related to important activities like eating, drinking, physical fitness, and sexual intercourse. Endorphins also surge during pregnancy. They minimize discomfort and pain and maximize pleasure. This helps us to continue functioning during injury or stress. And that's all for our project. Thank you.